Hey crocheters, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to learn how to make this cute little heart with a magic ring and other basic stitches. You can use this in gift card, decorating your room, and also in keychain. So without wasting any time, let's start it. So here I'm using white cotton yarn, pair of scissors, and crochet hook is 4.0 mm. So let's start it. So first we will start with a magic ring. Magic ring, hold this still with your thumb and ring finger, then make a cross like this. And now insert your hook to these two loops. Pull the second loop, turn your hook around, then chain 1. This is our magic ring. Now we will add one more chain. This is chain 2. Now we will work in this magic ring 15 double crochets. We will not count this chain 2. For double crochet, yarn over your hook, insert your hook into this magic ring, then pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. This is our double crochet. Let's do our second double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. This is our second double crochet. Now we will work 15 double crochet till the end. And now let's do our 15th and last double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, 3 loops on your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now this tail, we'll close the ring by pulling this tail out. So this is our first round. To complete our first round, this where we did our chain 2, insert your hook into this V, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Pull this loop through this loop. This is our slip stitch. After slip stitch, chain 2. So our first round is complete. Now we will work on the heart shape. So after chain 2, in the next stitch we will do 1 double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, 3 loops on your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 2, then 1 double crochet. Now into this stitch we will work 4 treble crochet. For treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook into stitch, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook, pull through first 2, pull through middle 2, pull through last 2. This is our treble crochet. Work into the same stitch we will work on our second treble crochet. Let's do third treble crochet into the same stitch, and then fourth treble crochet into the same stitch. After 4 treble crochet, now we will work 1 half double crochet. Next stitch, 1 half double crochet. The next 1 half double crochet. For half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. So after 1 half double crochet, we will work 4 single crochet. For single crochet, insert your hook, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Next stitch, second single crochet, next stitch, third single crochet, next stitch, our fourth single crochet. After 4 single crochet, we will work in the bottom of the heart. So first we will work 1 half double crochet, into the same gap 1 double crochet, again into the same 1 half double crochet. So the one side of our heart is complete. Let's copy the same pattern to the other side. And after 4 treble crochet, we will do 1 double crochet into this stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now we will work 1 slip stitch into this same gap, insert your hook, pull through this loop, chain 1, and cut this off, keep it tight. Our heart is ready. Now let's hide the tails. After weaving the ends in the back, our little crochet heart is ready. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial, and now you know how to make little cute crochet heart. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Bye bye. Happy crocheting.